The Yeedi C12 Combo is a groundbreaking all-in-one cleaning solution that combines the power of a robot, vacuum, and mop in a single cohesive device. Engineered for versatility and efficiency, it's tailored to handle any cleaning scenario, whether it's tackling messes on the floor, reaching tight corners, or cleaning hard-to-reach high surfaces. Let's explore what makes the C12 Combo a game-changer in the world of smart home cleaning devices.
Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos.
Unboxing the Yeedi C12 Combo is an experience that sets the stage for the advanced functionality this device offers. Each component is thoughtfully packaged, reflecting the device's quality and versatility. Here's what you'll find inside the box. Yeedi C12 Combo Main Unit, Robot plus Vacuum plus Mop. Docking and Charging Station, Handheld Vacuum Unit with attachments. Anti-tangle brush and 2-in-1 Dusting Brush Crevice Tool. The box layout is intuitive, allowing you to quickly access all parts and get started with minimal setup time. With every essential tool included, the unboxing experience of the Yeedi C12 Combo hints at the thoughtful design and convenience this device brings to home cleaning. The Yeedi C12 Combo integrates a robot vacuum, handheld vacuum, and mop into one system. Dust cup, 0.35-liter capacity, delivering a comprehensive cleaning solution for any surface and mess. Whether it's loose dust or stubborn stains, the C12 Combo handles it all with ease. Equipped with 10,000 pascals of suction power, the robot vacuum is adept at removing large debris, dust, and pet hair across multiple surfaces. Unlike standard vacuums, the C12 Combo includes a mopping function that tackles tough stains. With a 340-milliliter water tank, it can mop up to 200 square feet in one go, effectively removing sticky spots and leaving floors spotless. This feature truly sets the C12 Combo apart, especially for homes with high foot traffic. The ZeroTangle technology ensures both the robot vacuum's main brush and the handheld brush avoid hair entanglement, making it ideal for households with pets. This feature significantly reduces maintenance needs and ensures a smooth, uninterrupted cleaning experience, providing smart pathfinding that reduces the chances of the vacuum getting stuck. With true mapping technology, the Yeedi C12 Combo can map a 100 square meter area in just 8 minutes. Its sensors allow it to smoothly navigate around obstacles, making it an effective cleaning partner for complex floor layouts and under furniture areas. The advanced filtration system of the C12 Combo not only traps fine dust, but also minimizes secondary pollution. The C12 Combo includes a stair-sensing sensor to prevent falls and obstacle-surpassing capabilities to cross thresholds up to 20 millimeters in height. These safety features make it reliable for multi-level homes. 10,000 pascals, suction power, ZeroTangle 2.0 brush, auto-empty system, pure cyclone technology, 7-week capacity. As the world's first whole-house cleaning combo, it offers unmatched convenience by combining vacuuming, mopping, and a handheld solution into one device. Not only does it simplify your cleaning routine, but it also delivers superior performance with high suction power, smart navigation, and minimal maintenance. The C12 Combo is perfect for pet owners, thanks to its anti-tangle technology, and is equipped to handle everyday household messes. Plus, the true mapping technology allows it to seamlessly cover complex floor plans without missing a spot. In conclusion, the Yeedi C12 Combo stands out as an innovative, powerful, and efficient cleaning solution. It is designed to handle the demands of modern households by providing an all-encompassing, user-friendly, and highly effective cleaning experience. If you're looking for a device that combines the benefits of a robot, a powerful vacuum, and a mop without compromising on space or convenience, the C12 Combo is undoubtedly an excellent choice. With this all-in-one solution, you're not just saving space and money, you're investing in a cleaner, more comfortable living environment.
So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.